Dear friends, everyone, and welcome to this channel. In this video, friends, you and I will talk about how to disable 5G on iPhone. But make sure, friends, put your like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well, and please write your comments after watching. And let's get started. Actually, disabling 5G on your iPhone is very easy. To do this, you will need to, friends, open the settings on your iPhone. And then you're gonna have to select a section called Cellular or Cellular Data. After that, you will need to select, for example, Cell Phone Options. Next, you will find a section called Voice and Data. Go to it. And as you can see, there are 5G options here, which you can enable or disable by moving it to 3G or LTE, for example. This is where it's already as you need it. You can also choose this third option right here. And here, if you also have data set to 5G, you can disable it on whichever of the following items you prefer and just exit back out. This way, you will have all the changes to disable 5G saved. I really hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to put your like, write a comment, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you, friends!